everyone, introducing us from the HiPet team, bringing the idea of HiPet, the animal welfare sector community platform which facilitates interaction between pet owners. Background: quote from Compass.com, a survey in the UK stated that 78.6% of owners get information about pets through the internet. But similar to others, often the information obtained is only from social media and chat applications. I praised the trend of looking for pets during the COVID-19 pandemic has increased 88% from 2019 to 2021, possibly due to boredom and loneliness. You can see that in 2019, the search data on Google for pets was 222, and in 2021, it will increase to 419. According to Compass.com, in Indonesia, the ownership rate for pet cats is around 37%, and for pet dogs around 16%. And research conducted by Alan McConnell from Miami University found an interesting fact that pet ownership can have a positive impact on their mental or psychological state, such as eliminating feelings of loneliness, stress, and others. However, to maintain good relations with pets, animal owners must take care of their pets' health.
This idea comes from a problem experienced by one of our members, where after research it turned out that many have experienced the same thing. Therefore, we want to present a platform called HiPet, with the aim of the welfare of the pets and their owners. Several products have tried to solve pet welfare problems, such as Peto and Eleven Pet. Both products focus on pet services, such as grooming, medical checkup, and animal care. This product has not been able to accommodate interaction with a fellow animal owner to exchange information, which will significantly help them increase their knowledge of caring for their beloved pet. For that, HiPet is a solution platform for the pet owner community to interact mutually, exchange information or share experiences in caring for pets, with superior features, namely forum for interacting, image classification with AI to obtain pet care information, and reminder for maintenance schedule reminder. Implementation in Android. In making this app, we use Android Studio with Kotlin language and various supporting libraries, such as Gray to manipulate images, Room Persistent to storage local data, Retrofit for HTTP client, FPM architecture, and Figma for UI UX design.
In designing this application, we look for references from various well-known social media applications. We then made the design using Figma. Of course, we didn't only pay attention to the UI, but we also considered the user experience in designing this application. Here's a video demonstration. On the main page, all the interesting posts by various users are here. We can have discussions with them through the comment section. On the Classify Pet page, we can identify the pet's breed with AI. Here are details on how to care for the identified pet. And then you can look for equipment that is recommended for pet care. On the reminder page, we can create reminders of important schedules for pet care, such as feeding, bathing, or taking them to the vet. In building the machine learning model, we use TensorFlow as a framework for building deep learning models and Google Colab as an editor. For the dataset, we took data from the Kaggle 23 pet breeds image classification with 3,881 images divided into 23 classes. We used the fine-tuning method using the pre-trained model Inception v3 with an output class of 10 animal races. There is Abyssinian, American Shorthair, Bulldog, Chihuahua, Husky, etc.
The implementation of machine learning in output layer model. We also apply dropout regularization to reduce the possibility of model overfitting. We also use the concept of fine-tuning by doing a little unfreeze on the final layer in the feature extractor and reducing the learning rate in hopes not destroying the pre-trained model, and the model can adapt to desired output case. And the result of training machine learning model, in training process, we train the epoch of 100 and use model checkpoint callbacks to save the model when it is the best accuracy and obtain the best model result in the 48 epoch with fall accuracy of 0.922 and fall loss of 0.276. The next is implementation of cloud computing architecture. HiPet is using Google Cloud Platform or GCP, and we have two applications, namely backend and machine learning model, which are deployed using Cloud Run and implementing continuously deployment to build and release application automatically. We are using MySQL and Firebase database, which the front end can access via RESTful API, And our machine learning model application can also receive animal care information from the backend application based on the animal name according to the predict result. User can use the service and be created by sending a request to the front end, and the front end will respond to the user. And the next is documentation of Android. 1 is set up Project Android Studio. 2. Implement Android Jetpack Library, MVVM, Roomglide, and Retrofit. 3. Working on the GitHub remote repository. And 4. Implement feature image classification, Firestore, and backend API. And then the next is documentation of machine learning. Documentation of process on the building machine learning model, starting from the downloading the dataset and then pre-processing the dataset and creating the model and training, evaluating the model, and saving into the Hive model format.
The backend process started by creating a RESTful API using Express.js and Flex Python. The RESTful API that we created was deployed in Google Cloud Run. For the database, we use Google Cloud SQL and real-time database in Firebase. For the local deployment plan, in the first month, we will introduce our product to the potential user. After that, we will test the MVP product directory to the user to get feedback and make improvement plan for the application. In addition, we will also request another team member. The second month, we will collect more data to improve the ML model and finalize features that are not available from the original plan. The third month, adding the required feature from the user feedback suggestion and making continuous integration to make the development and maintenance process more manageable. The fourth month, we will hold a soft launch event for limited users so it carry more branding activity ahead of the release day. The fifth month, release Android application to Play Store, then backend application development on GCP. The sixth month, monitoring and maintenance of application for a feature development. Our business market segmentation consists of 3. First, pet owner will need more reference on how to take care of their pet. The second is pet lover community like letsadoptingindonesia.org, and the last is person who interested and begin to adopting a pet. For social benefit, our application will helping stray dog and cats to find their new owner. The second is facilitate pet owner to find people who want to adopt their pets. The last is find a new friends, because using this application is make it easy for user to talk to other user and find friends who have the same hobby or fun.
For the revenue stream, we get it from 2 sources. The first is affiliate marketing, where we provide recommendation to users to buy pet supplies, where we will get commission for every product they sell. The second is paid promotion sponsorship, which can be helpful to pet owners, vet, and grooming services. About the market size, existing research show that almost 46% of Indonesian population owns a pet. So our projected potential market is 150 users, assuming 3% of pet owners in Jakarta. So this is assumed monthly expenses for this application, namely Cloud SQL, Cloud Run, salary, marketing, so the total is about 2,700 USD. The next is assumption of inflow from affiliate marketing. Assume that there are 30,000 transactions per month with affiliate rate 10%, and we are using cat food as a product example, and we can multiply 10,000 rupiahs with 30,000 transactions, so we are getting 300 million rupiahs. So the next is inflow assumption from paid promote sponsorship. Assume that there are 3,000 clicks per day with 1,500 rupiahs per click, and we can get 135 million per month. Thank you very much for your attention, and bye-bye.